So I wanted to show you some of the progress that I made, that I've been working on as I'm going to be reseeding, a lot of these sections here in the lawn. So what I did is I sprayed these areas with glyphosate, knowing that it's going to kill a lot of the grass underneath that's intermingled with the ground cover weeds, which is fine because I got tired of using selective herbicides, and I've done a few different kinds, and I've had pre-emergence, things like that, but I just got tired of it. So I just kind of wanted to reseed these areas with some higher quality seed, because I feel like every year it's just getting a little worse in some of these spots. So I got tired of just spot treating them and trying to keep up with it. It's a big project. So this is kind of what I've been working on. As I pull up the glyphosate, as I pulled up the dead material after I sprayed the glyphosate on it, I want to expose all the dirt in the soil. That's my first step. So as you can see, this project is a little bit more extensive than I thought it was going to be, just because I had a few more areas that I guess the weeds were a little worse than I thought they were in specific areas. So this section here, what I did, I took my gardening tool and I just ripped up all the dead grass, just so I can expose, all the roots and just pull everything up so I can rough up the soil later. But with this section here, it's a 2-in-1 project, because I have some clumping fescue here, and you probably have seen some of my videos where I had fixed that, or I removed some of it, especially in the front yard. I had a couple big sections that I had removed this clumping fescue, and it was just an eyesore. And really the only way of doing it to get everything is either you kill it with the glyphosate or you just dig it up, right? So while I'm here, I'm already digging up this section because I want to expose the dirt here. And after I cut today, I went ahead and sprayed the RGS root growth stimulant. I sprayed the whole backyard, and then I also sprayed these areas pretty heavily because I want to get this soil prepped for some quality seed. But this section here, it's all this clumping fescue, and it's an eyesore. So it really stands out, and I'm just getting tired of it. So I figured, you know what, I'll just extend this section up and just dig up some of this stuff. And there's just something satisfying about pulling this and ripping this stuff up. I mean, I don't know if you guys feel this way too, but look at this. It's just an eyesore, right? So there's just a little bit more here, so I'm gonna finish that up, but I wanna make sure I get all these roots up and really just prep it really well, take my time with it. So I'll probably work on this, probably get some seed out there in the next, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks or so, depending on what the soil temps are. Hey, look, there's a grub. In case you've never seen one up close. I think that's really the only one I've seen. I don't really have too much of a problem with that, but that's pretty much what I'm working on. I want to show you the progress here too. Check this out. So as far as middle of August, I feel like it looks pretty good. Pretty satisfied with it. It's a little dry in some spots, but that's to be expected. But I feel like it looks really good considering time of the year. And I haven't really put any fertilizer on it since, I don't know, May? Late May maybe. I've been doing my 3-month program for the biostimulants. That's all I've been using. So I'm gonna probably put some down in the next month or so. Maybe some Yard Mastery Double Dark with some iron in it. So I'll be working on that, and that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for updates on this project. I'll make some more videos coming up here soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.